When nothing is working, you feel stuck. Manifestation is not landing. Your business is stuck. And you are feeling like no matter what you do, it's not moving the needle. This video is for you. I am going to show you how you can actually transform this frustration, this stuck energy, and use it as a fuel to 5x or even 10x your income and shift your identity. Stay with me. I was able to 5x my income in like 6 weeks very quickly. And I didn't really change strategy. I didn't really do anything outside of me. But what I did do, I used the energy of anger, frustration, and I use this energy as a fuel to shift things in my business. Because here's the thing. You might think that in order to manifest that next level, you have to actually do all the positive affirmations, work harder, and so on. But the thing is, what worked for me was a decision. And this decision actually came from complete pain and failure and frustration because I was so frustrated. I was so done. I was just like done experiencing my old reality over and over again. I was so done with clients who were cheap, who were complaining, who were not grateful. Back and then and there, I decided that I'm going to manifest completely different reality because I am going to raise my standards. So the number one tip is to decide to raise your standards. And by the way, raising your standards is going to come very naturally as a byproduct of choosing a different identity and choosing different reality. But you need to understand that it is all about that choice that you make. And you need to decide firmly within you. And therefore, using that anger, using that frustration as a fuel, meaning decision that you are no longer available for that experience that is not serving you anymore, using that as a fuel, you are becoming different person is the key. Because otherwise you're just going to be suppressing it, or you are going to be ignoring it, that you feel this way because everyone out there tells you that you need to be positive, you need to affirm new reality. And so you are actually ignoring what's really going on underneath. I say stop ignoring what's going on underneath. Honor how you feel. As you honor how you feel, and you actually give yourself permission to feel this anger, you give yourself permission to be upset, you give yourself finally permission to change. Because you are the one who is creating this, even though you don't want to hear this. But it's you who created this experience. And just like that, you can create totally different experience. So use that anger to raise your standards. And raise your standards the way it serves you. And I'm talking about your offers. I'm talking about the price points. Stop playing small. So when I did this, I decided that I was undercharging. I realized that I was playing small. And I also realized that I was attracting clients that were not necessarily aligned with me because there was a part of me that was afraid. That was afraid to be more loud, to be more visible, to really be that next level. So I want you to actually go within and really examine like what is going on within you. Are you really afraid? Are you afraid to success? Are you afraid of next level wealth? Are you afraid to actually raise your prices? Why? Are you afraid to actually manifest, attract your ideal clients? Why? And write it down. Write it down because there are some blocks within you that are the cause why you are not able to actually break the ceiling and go to the next level. And it starts with being aware and then deciding that enough is enough. So when I actually decided that enough is enough, I'm no longer available to this kind of clients or for this kind of services and products for this kind of price. And I shifted my standard. I raised my standard. Guess what? I merged with that next level identity because the next level identity is someone who was charging different prices, offering different services, and feeling differently and thinking differently. She was believing in herself. She was totally obsessed with her work because she was proud and she knew what she can deliver. She knew the transformation and so on. And so as I finally gave myself permission to become that next level of me, things started to shift. Because here's the thing. You can try to actually affirm, manifest, work hard, but you can really outperform that self-image, which is that identity, which is that frequency. This is deep frequency work. This is deep frequency work that is tied to that self-concept. And as a result of that, you are behaving across your business, life, and other areas. And so use that anger, use that frustration to decide today enough is enough. And as a result of that, change that identity. And as a result of that, change that frequency. As a result of that, start taking different aligned action. And as a result of that, you will create different outcome. And if you are someone who is in the middle of this quantum leap and you feel like you don't know where to go because everything is falling apart, or you feel stuck and you have no idea how to break that ceiling, there is going to be a link below, one-on-one intensive with me, and we can shift that self-image, that identity, and that frequency so you no longer feel stuck. This is your time to rise. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video.